From DronaHQ. I'll take you through DronaHQ dashboards and also tell you why we decided to launch a new builder specifically and purpose built for building dashboards and charts. So traditionally on DronaHQ, when you had to build applications, right? So you had to go into the app builder. um you drag drop your controls and you build your dashboards, right? And you need to write queries, you know bind them to charts, do a lot of plumbing with plotly charts and understand the JSON and so on and so forth. And we thought that a lot of users are building dashboards on DronaHQ, but probably on the traditional apps builder it's not the best way to build high fidelity data exploration or visualization kind of dashboards. So we decided to kind of launch a specific purpose built dashboard builder. This is the one, a little different, where you need to first connect your data sources like the way you used to in your apps as well. Once you have your data sources on board, you go ahead and build your data sets, right? And data sets are nothing but queries that you fire in your data sources. Now let's take an example of uh, the video game sales. I have one of the data sets that I have, right? And here I am making a data set which is the kind of a query mode that I select, and dimensions and filters and so on and so forth, and which lets me to the next step, which is building charts. Charts are nothing but those widgets where you can define different charts and align the data sources associated with that chart as well. Let's take one of the examples here. uh, let's take a heat map of vaccines, different types of vaccines, and what stage of trials these are. And I have one of the data sources which is the COVID vaccines. Heat map is the data the chart that I have used, and I have defined some of the outputs here on x, y, and metrics, right? And I can define a color scheme to go with it, and so on and so forth, and my charts are ready, right? Now what I can do is, either I can save this chart and build more charts, and I can also go to dashboards, which is an aggregation of these charts that you build, right? Now let's go to the COVID vaccine dashboard, and you will see different charts that I can use to build a whole central dashboard. This is the heat map that we saw there, and we can have more charts, tables, and so on and so forth. You can go far deeper down in this with filters, cross filters, filter scoping, dependent filters. um, Also you can do drill by and so on and so forth, where you can drill by particular values. But these dashboards, what happens is, once you build and publish these, they will also be available on the DronaHQ apps section, individual charts as well as dashboards as well. And we feel that probably this is one of the fastest ways of building your data visualization dashboards and data exploration platforms that you need to build when you have a large set of data that you want to visualize and show it to your users as well. And that's something we have right now in early beta. You can request access, and we'll help you with access to build these dashboards as well. Thank you.